of Art Lab at Home. Today we're going to be making really cool salt layer bottles. And we're going to dye the salt ourselves and hopefully use things that you already have in your house. The first thing that you will need is a bottle to put your salt in. The funner the shape, the better, but you could use a mason jar, an old pasta sauce jar, or anything really, even a cup, an old Starbucks cup. This was strained tomatoes. And the one I'm gonna use today is this cool skull jar, because I found it in my stuff and I wanted to do something cool with it, and I thought, this is the one, this is the day. So I have my cool jar, I have salt, I have a funnel. I made my own funnel. It's just out of a water bottle. You could roll up a piece of paper to make a funnel. You could use many different things, or just a plain old funnel. I have some sidewalk chalk. These are some I've already used. This is a perfect opportunity to use those little stubs of chalk that you use, although those are really good for practicing fine motor with small kids as well. But another opportunity for those is this project. So get your chalk, get your funnel, get your salt, get your bottle, and get yourself a plate. Mine's a paper plate because I'm gonna be pouring the salt off of it into the funnel, so I just like something nice and bendy. You could also use a big piece of paper or a piece of tin foil, anything. Okay, so go and grab all those things and meet me back here and I'll show you what we're gonna do with them. Okay guys, so let's get started. I'm gonna start off by taking some of my salt. I'm just gonna pour a little anthill here like this. I'm not measuring, I'm just doing whatever. If you want to have all of your layers the same size, then measure. If you're just going whatever like me, then here we go. So you take your salt, put it on here, take your piece of chalk, and you press it into the salt. You keep doing this until the salt starts to change colors. Rub it in like that, and then I take the side and push it in. Can you see my salt changing color yet? It's kind of a beautiful lavender color. Here, take a look. So the amount that you're going to rub your salt with the chalk depends on how dark you want your salt colors. I want mine like medium. I want it to still be able to see the colors, but not so dark that I have to be going forever and ever and ever. Okay, so I like the shade. What do you think? Right? You can get that. See how purple it is? So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that bottle that you have, put it off to the side here. You might want to put it underneath some sort of cookie sheet or paper or something. This fits in here. Perfect, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna take my salt and in goes the first layer. Whoop. There we go. I'm gonna level it out and I'm just gonna keep going. The next one, here, let's get another pile here. I'm gonna go with some orange, I think. Oh yeah, this is already so dark. You could also shave the chalk and mix it in, but this is just a therapeutic process. It's nice. You can just sit here and slowly watch the colors change. I could even do some orange and some yellow together and make like a peach color to invent a new color. All right, my second layer is done. I'm gonna put my funnel back in. Fold this up. And just keep going. So, okay, we are almost finished here. Probably just actually poured too much. I'm gonna finish with a dark pink. And one important thing you must know is that you need to fill your bottle all the way to the very top. There cannot be any room there for your bottle, because if there is like a little bit of room, as soon as you turn your bottle over or mix it all, the salt layers will start to mix together. So all that hard work you did, it will all mix together. So make sure you don't just fill it halfway or 3/4. Don't leave an inch at the top. Finish it all the way to the very, very top. Okay, so let's see my bottle. Let's put this last layer in here. Gotta tilt it a bit. Perfect. And I actually have no clue where I put the lid. Go. So as you can see, mine is filled to the very top. Check out all those layers. How cool. Gotta wash my jar a little bit. But yeah, there you have it, guys. This is all just salt and chalk, something you probably already have in your house. So thank you for joining me today in making your cool salt layer bottle. The other one I made, we painted the lid and we added a little butterfly sticker. This one I'm probably just gonna, I don't know, put the lid on, maybe paint the lid a gold color or something. So feel free to decorate your jar. You can dip it in paint, you can add stickers, you can tie a cool ribbon around it, whatever you would like. But there you have it. That's how you color salt and make a layered bottle. I hope you guys have fun. Cheers. Thanks again for joining us today at Art Lab at Home. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our Instagram, follow our Facebook, and make sure to tag me in all the wonderful and cool creations that you made, that you learned here on the Art Lab at Home channel. Cheers.